ass. I got Nikes on my 2 feet, I'm at his face. Asian trip to Tay said Vietnam's, and that's what I reminds me a little bit, don't miss I went there with the 3 targets on my initial swags. What the hell did that even mean? Us for the last 7 seconds was so deceived from the real message of it.
Watching 50 years after it's all said and done, I bet you be like 100 million old more similar. You want your dad's stones, you know that was blew up, they removed, but it was Talmudic foreshadowing of the new planet to hush night. I know it's rude, but you just gotta sit back and trace your double cup because it always was written and none. Yo, it was all written, that's what I was saying. I hope that this is not a plane. Man, what's on the man? What they told the government and then they were saying, who should extremists? And then I just pulled out my boot. Didn't know what to say because the only word that I would put me in the pen. And I know that freestyle is not supposed to be written down. It just goes on up when I squeeze it on the floor when I'm walking on the ground. They think souls and I'm not really caring about no hoes.
Bang, 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 no. Oh, ring in the room. Bong, bong, bong.
You do not give a
Bong, bong, bong.
just cause you don't know. Try to keep it clean.
Tell me where are we? San Martyrs. Why are those close shake? That is crazy. I almost said true. You thought I chose it. You think. Adjective, flying around, I hope it's okay, because I know it's okay, because I said I permit this, and so did the people with the kids. It wasn't matter because they're repopulating Earth when everybody's beach celebrates. Yo, danger and reproduce, I get 9 billion people. In a billion people in the world. Watching 50 years after it's all said and done, I bet you beat like 100 million old more similar. You want your dad's stones, you know that ones that they blew up, they removed, but it was Talmudic foreshadowing of what they go planet to doom to hush night. I know it's rude, but you just gotta sit back and drink your double cup because it always was written and none. Yo, it was all written, that's what I was saying. I hope that this is not a plane. Man, I saw something, man. That's what they told the government and then they was named. Who should be extremists? And then I just pulled out my boot. Didn't know what to say then because the only word that I would put me in the pen. And I know that freestyle is not supposed to be written down. So you just tongues I'm on knob when I spit it on the floor when I'm walking on the ground. Souls and I'm not really caring about no hoes. That's when I find every girl that's with it. And then I go in and take another sip of my double cup and I continue to not give up. Yeah, didn't just cuss even though I could have. Because that's the sin and I am not Talmudic. Because I try to keep it clean, yeah. Well with you.
Special swags. What the hell did that even mean? Us for the last 7 seconds was so deceived from the real message of it.
bang dong. Oh, ring, bang bong dong bong, bang dong bong. Tell me, and where are we? San Martyrs. Why are those poor slaves shame? That is crazy. I almost said true. You thought I chose a beautiful thing. Adjective. Flying around, I hope it's okay. Because I know it's okay. Because I said I permit this, and so did all the people with the kids. It wasn't matter because they're repopulating Earth when everybody's beach celebrates. Yo, danger and reproduce. I get 9 billion people. 9 billion people thought in the world. Watching 50 years after it's all said and done, I bet you'd be like 100 million or more similar to your Godstones. You know the ones that they blew up, they removed, but it was Talmudic foreshadowing of what they do planet to doom to us. Night, I know it's rude, but you just gotta sit back and drink your double cup because it all was written and none. Yo. It was all written, that's what I was saying. I hope that this is not a plane. Man, I saw something. That's what they told the government, and they was think ocean extremists. And then I just pulled out my Didn't know what to say then, because the only word that mine would put me in the pen, and I know that freestyle is not supposed to be written down. So you just tongues I'm on knob when I spit it on the floor, when I'm walking on the ground. Letting souls in a not really caring about no hoes, that's when I find every girl that's worth it. And then I go in and take another sip of a double cup, and I continue to not give up. Yeah. Didn't just cuss even though I could have, because that's a sin and I am not Talmudic, because I try to keep it clean, yeah. Well, with you.